Hi everyone, welcome to VN Instant Life Tips where we share quick and easy tips to simplify your life. Today I'm going to give some top 10 tips to improve your performance of the speed of the PC or laptop. These are the common issues, whoever has the laptop, old laptop or whichever's laptop or personal computer, so they're having issues with the speed of the PC, sometimes performance degradations. So today I'm going to give top 10 tips which will improve your performance of the PC or laptop. Let's get started. So here these are the top 10 tips for speed of PC or laptop. So I will explain one by one. Windows on. So if you click Windows on, then enter percentile, temp, percentile. When you click OK, so these are the temporary files we have to delete. Control A and Shift delete. So this is the first tip. Yes, this is closed. And you can use Control Shift Escape. The second tip, it will take you to the task manager. When you click on the process bar, for example, if you are not using any kind of process, like you can simply close this process from here. For example, you can see running. Okay, you can just select it or end task or right click end task. Currently I'm using everything, whatever not required you can close it here, you can end task here. This is the second thing. The third one is startup. When you go to the start, just type it like startup apps. When you click on it, so here whatever you are not going to use, just click on off, which will improve the performance. Okay, this is the third one. Let's close it. The fourth one is again Windows or storage sense. You can search by storage sense, or you can do one thing. Go to the start here, search storage sense. It will take to the storage sense. It will automatically, when you click on it, if it is on mode, it will automatically clear all the cache and the unwanted files. So that is the fourth tip. Okay, now the fifth one is clean the disk cleanup thing. Okay, Windows on, just search it like clean up, clean manager. Okay, click OK. So it will take to the OS C drive. Then when you click it OK, it will automatically clear all the cache one or unwanted files. Okay, and the sixth one is uninstall apps, remove. If you go to the control panel, let's go to the control panel, click on it, then go to the programs and features. Here you can uninstall unwanted softwares or any unwanted user one. Just right click on it, just uninstall. So that is the sixth step. And the seventh one is click Windows R, then enter int inetcpl.cpl. Okay, when you click on it, so it will take to the advanced setting. If you click this restore advanced setting, if there is any kind of selected proxy server, you can click on it and click OK. Currently I don't have anything. Okay, this is the seventh one. The eighth one is go to the settings. Okay, just go to the simplest settings. Okay, this should be best performance mode. From 3 you can select this one, best performance will give the performance of the PC. Then the ninth one is just go to Google. Okay, go to the Chrome and download this one. Okay, malware bytes. So when you click on this malware byte, this is official, this is free software, guys. You can feel free to download also. There is a free download option here. When you click it on free download, I already downloaded. Okay, just go to the setting and just right click and run that process. Then I already open, I'm running that process. Actually just one time you can do the scan. Okay, so once everything is good, is there any unwanted detection, you can install or close it. Okay, then this is the way you can find out any unwanted or any virus or kind of thing. You can directly uninstall these other softwares and all. Okay, so this is the way. This is very helpful. Again, once it done, just simply uninstall. Once you complete the scan for one time, just uninstall it. Okay, and last but not least, when you restart the PC, it will clear all the cache and whatever we've done so far. It will clear all the entire the cache and clean up kind of thing. Then the performance of the PC or laptop, it will be boost your computer when you next time when you start up. Then you can see the difference between previously how it runs and currently when you adding all these steps, it will improve your performance. Yeah, that's all, guys. This is the topic for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Feel free to leave your comments. Thank you.